Okay, we're back out in the shop. I'm going to do a little bit of tinkering today. I don't have a lot of time, but I'm getting pretty close to the point where I'm going to start working on the fabricating and repairing the chassis. So there's a few odds and ends, like housekeeping, I got to take care of before I really start grinding, cleaning metal, patterning, and getting ready for all that. I want to get these, try to get these brake lines off. I already got the parking brake off, but this last handle here I got to get off. That's for the heating system. And the back brake lines, the parking brake lines and the hydraulic lines, I want to get those off. They're almost completely off. It's these clips here are giving me problems. They're stubborn. They are very rusted on. I'm going to replace all these components, but I'm trying to get everything off in one piece though. That way I can use it. I can use it to match up with new parts. And then after that, I wasn't sure, but I think to make everything easier, the transmission or transaxle, whatever you want to call it, it's going to have to come off. So for starters, I'm just going to try to take it off in one unit. I'm bolting it here. And so we'll see how far we get with that. Yeah, so this area where the parking brake and heater controls were is pretty messed up. They made some repairs over the years. They soldered it or brazed it with I guess brass or something. So I'm gonna want to show you some of the books I got, some of the manuals that I'm going to be using to help me with the project. This one in particular, how to keep your Volkswagen alive, it was really highly recommended. I got it on Amazon. I've started reading through it, and I really like the way it's written, the way the information is presented. So I think it's going to come in handy. You know, when this showed up in the mail, I got it from Amazon, and my wife was saying it should be how to bring your Volkswagen back to life. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing, trying to bring it back to life. Okay, so just as part of the disassembly of the back brakes, I'm going to try to get the shoes off. So I'm going to get the drum off. There's a nut there with a cotter pin, and hopefully that'll come off, and then the drum will come off, and I'll be able to get the brakes out of there. Because right now it's a little seized up, it's kind of tight. Can't really move it. And I'm playing around with these rear axle nuts. They are stubborn. I don't know if this is a problem everybody has. I think it is. But they are on there solid. Now, luckily I've got one off. This one here on the driver's side, it's loose. Other side, not so much. So yeah, judging by this, they are stubborn. So I'm doing everything I can. I'm sure I'll get them off, or get the other one off there. But on a side note, I was down to thingparts.com outside of Albany, and I picked up some specialty tools. For starters, 36mm socket for the back axle nuts. I also got one of these to do the CV joints, a 17mm Allen for the drain plug, and I have a clutch alignment tool. So I don't need all these today, but they're going to come in handy.